Hey everyone, Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back with a What's in the Box on a Pentair Tank Body. Stay tuned. Alright guys, we're back. So today I got Pentair's Dura-Glas 2. This is the front volute system for that pump. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and just kind of show you guys what comes included. You guys can see the part numbers located here on the bottom. This is going to be a whole front new body. So we're just going to kind of take it apart and just show you guys what comes included. So. All right. So this is for those older style Sta-Rite Dura-Glas 2 pool pumps. They'll normally have like a big bang clamp here that's going to help hold this thing together to the actual motor end of the pump. But this will actually give you a whole new front. They call it a trap body. I know on the newer pumps, we all call them volutes. It's just your wet end of the pump where you'll actually connect your inlet and your outlet here for the pump to operate. But it's just a whole new front part of it. It does not come with anything else, but I'll go ahead and open this up. I really like this older style kind of lid, how it got that twist to it. It's kind of nice with a nice hefty O-ring here to help keep everything sealed. And then of course it will come with a new basket. So other than that, it does have all the drain plugs included as well. But again, if you're looking to replace this whole front end, you want to make sure that your band clamp's in good use as well as your motor before you guys even bother trying to take this thing apart, just to make sure that you're not wasting your time. So but just want to show you guys what comes included. They don't even give you any other paperwork in here, so there's no other install. Hopefully if we can find one of these out in the field, these are an older style, we might be able to do one in the future. But as far as just what comes included on this part number, again, it's C176-59PZ. It's for a Sta-Rite Dura-Glas 2 pump. Just a whole new front end for you guys. So just want to show you guys what comes included. Really appreciate you guys watching. Be sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe because we're going to have a ton more content coming your way. Till then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.
Thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe down below. We have a lot more content coming up. I'm Greg with ePoolSupply. See you next time.